Hi, my name is Matthew Long. I just want to take a moment of your time to talk about anxiety and stress. Anxiety and stress can take its shape in many forms. We can have physical problems, we can have mental problems. We can have sleepless nights, we can have that constant worry in the back of our mind about something bad that might happen. We can actually have physical problems like bad stomach, tension in the neck and shoulders, maybe even tension headaches. Now, the first time I got stress and anxiety was when I was in the military. I managed to survive multiple tours of Iraq and Afghanistan, but it was when I was back in the UK on exercise that I got myself injured. And it pretty much meant the end of my career. I had two prolapsed discs and I was in a lot of pain with muscle spasms in my lower back. I had to get help outside of the military and I went to see a local soft tissue therapist. And just in one session, my lower back pain was gone. From there, I then decided to get myself trained in soft tissue therapy. And although a lot of the stress from the pain was gone, I still had a lot of anxiety in the back of my mind, worrying if I was going to make a success of this business. And knowing that I was going to have to leave the military, I needed to make sure that I could earn enough money to support my family. Through families and friends, and of course my lovely wife, I was encouraged, I was given confidence, and I knew by the time I left the military and I'd done my training that I was going to make a success of it. And I did, and I still am today. So once I was up and running and I had plenty of clients coming in, I was looking at ways of sort of expanding my business and how I could help people more. And one of the things I noticed, I had a lot of clients coming in with tension in their neck and shoulders, neck pain, shoulder pain, headaches, even migraines. And I wanted to work out how I could help these people even more. And the one thing that came into my mind was that they were all suffering from stress and anxiety. So I started to look at ways I could actually help people with this and give people a solution and maybe even a fix. At the time, a local hypnotherapist who in the past had been a client messaged me and said that he was running an introductory course into hypnosis and would I be interested? And of course, I just jumped at the chance. I did this introductory course and I then went on to do a diploma with the UK Hypnosis Academy. I got myself trained in hypnotherapy. I then went on to learn cognitive behavioral therapy and also neuro-linguistic programming. All great modalities on their own, but I use them now in combination to help people with anxiety and stress. I've helped many people with anxiety and stress, and for some people, it's never come back. But this 6-week course that I've now designed gives you all the tools, all the videos and audios to make sure that you can continue a life without anxiety and stress. In this course, there'll be a weekly video call with me, and there'll also be the opportunity to have one-to-one sessions with me. I just want you to take a moment and just imagine what it'd be like to have a life without anxiety and stress. To wake up in the morning feeling refreshed and energized so that you know that you'll have the energy to give your best, whether it be at home or even at work. And when you get back at the end of the day, you feel good about yourself and you'll be able to go to bed at night and sleep well without that constant buzzing in the back of the mind. So all you got to do now is click on the link below. You'll be taken to my diary where you can book a video call with me. And in that, we can have a chat and see if we're compatible and if we can work together. Now, this call is going to be absolutely free for you. And all you got to do is book the time that's most convenient for you. So click on the button below and I'll hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye.